The Shillong Heart Clinic welcomes Dr. Amethyst Bauman, consultant interventional cardiologist, formerly of Medanta, the Medicity. From preventive care to advanced cardiac procedures, your heart is in safe hands. Book now at 9863050899.
Kachingtai ga Ikalavia Model Residential School, Hakshnong Sohparu, Nongstoin, West Khasiels District, Klaya Chacha Chikmat, Hakabla Bani E Lambak Dakishin, Bakchingtai Yabanta Gladep Kumba Prapo Person E. Katika Skul Gadik Blabu Maunu Remdu Ba Macmillan Bersat, MLA Barim Nongstoin Constituency, how Bnai Leber Jumsnam Archa Kakandai, Badeka Chaka, Laisnobar Kong B Carbani, Hakaching along Kalai Akar E. Hakaching Chingo Ekatik Slam Aji Hikai, Lalap Bakibabuan Kibentalas Dang Pyndep, but don Sakatukan Nikbantaki Badangsa, and Raywadi Kitaru like Eba Kikam Gidang Ya Chachat, Nadu Kachinkere Katika Slam, Ki Yen Paka Bat Kiwe. Nakaliang Shillong Mail layo bani kren bo Susan Maji, bodi site engineer ketika project, bolong bakacingtai ke Skul, en Pyndep no Hapoh lai Bnai e. Ula Pyndep ru bakatika Skul, en nyam kumbasan spangut ki kena, kandan ru kecakasa namdai kentai nalor kiwe pan.
This is a EMRS project from central government, NES, National Education Society, and it is a EMRS project for Eklabba model residential school. Have a school building, and this is a girls hostel, and have also a staff quarter for facility and principal's residentials also. Have 500 students facility there, and have a medical also, and chemistry lab also have there, and physics and chemistry have there.
And the percentage
and the percentage of work finished almost 80%. And we have expected target to finish this project up to 2 to 3 months.
Habatin, pej bahaki kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pindon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya